Alright, here's the 944 all down on its feet now. And we're gonna, probably not tonight, maybe tomorrow, we'll just push it straight back out there into the driveway and jack it up. Spray some detergent on everything under the hood and everything we can get underneath the car and hose it down. Probably take the cheapy pressure washer to it. We'll try to get up underneath there where the fuel tank is too, because there's a whole lot of grease and stuff from years of driving down in there that'll benefit from being clean. Pressure washed a bunch of stuff a couple weeks ago. Here's the transaxle. That looks about 1,000,000% better than it did. Also did the control arms and the cross member and steering rack. So I'd rather not work on a dirty car, so we're going to get it as clean underneath as possible.